So, Nokia has a new CEO, Justin Hotard, an expert in data centers and AI, two of the hottest markets in communications today. On the face of it, this appointment will delight shareholders, a move that should boost the company's stock value. But will it? Hotard's backstory suggests he may direct his new employer towards constructing AI data centers or factories. But this positions Nokia directly against the cloud hyperscalers.
This is a terrible idea.
The real opportunity for Nokia lies in integrating Hotard's specialities, AI and data centers, with an area not on his resume, 5G. Specifically, providing 5G technology for vertical industries looking to reinvent themselves using digital technology.
Oh, yes! I'll have that, please!
Now, this approach won't get Nokia's investors jazzed, but that's because they haven't really grasped the scale of the digital industrial opportunity. Private networks are projected to generate $50 billion annually by 2030, while mobile tech sales are expected to reach $600 billion by the decade's end. Critics will question a focus on a seemingly smaller segment. But those aren't apples to apples comparisons. When companies like Nokia sell mobile equipment to carriers, the carriers retain the revenues they make from running consumer services over that network. But in contrast, if Nokia supplies 5G networks for railways, for electrical grids or ports, it opens doors to multiple new revenue streams: security, edge computing, data analytics, application development, managed services, and more. This creates a lucrative business model that can benefit Nokia exclusively, no service provider partner. And how big is this opportunity? Well, the global telecom market is currently valued at nearly $2 trillion a year. But consider this: the combined value of all vertical industries worldwide exceeds a quadrillion. Nokia, Ericsson and Huawei only need to capture a couple of percentage points of this vast market by helping it use 5G to move to Industry 4.0 to build a new business that dwarfs traditional consumer telecom. Now, we know that both Huawei and Ericsson recognize this potential. Nokia's former CEO, Pekka, acknowledged it as well. That's why Nokia's #1 in private 5G networks today, and its stock price has increased 40% in a year. I guess we'll just have to wait and see if Hotard will disregard the tinnitus from investors and board members seeking a quick return on their investment, or whether he'll pursue the longer-term, much more significant opportunity.